Hi everyone, I'm an artist in the UK. My name's Tash. I am in my late 40s and I am in the process of setting up my very own first physical brick and mortar business, art business. So I want to start vlogging it just to help anyone, or just for anyone that's interested to know the process, really. So you're going to see me build the business. So at the moment I am supplying my art gifts and artwork in other people's shops. The problem with that is you are relying on those shops always being there. Now recently, last year, one of my shops closed that I supplied in, and this year two more have, well, one's closed, one's going to close in January. So that leaves me stocking just a few shops, and that's not enough to make a living in art. So I've always wanted to have my own shop so that I'm kind of in control of the shop being open and it not closing down, and therefore I always have that income. Now I am a bit of a mixed bag, so you'll see from my videos that I love creating art and selling my art. I have one business which is Heart and Design, which is all the normal kind of art things you'd expect. I use lots of different mediums, create lots of different art pieces. Sometimes it's just little drawings and doodles to larger detailed landscapes, all that kind of stuff, just everything. And then my other business is called the Cornish Gnome, which is very locally relevant to me here in Cornwall, and they're cute little characters, and you'll see in my future videos along the way. Now what I want to do is I'm opening up a shop that will partly be a gift shop and a gallery. I am in a seaside town, so it's very much mainly sort of the summer trade where most of the business will come, but I am hoping that locals here will use my business year round, because the other part of the shop is going to be a creative space. So it's going to be called Pick and Mix Art and Craft. So I'll have all of my own art machinery there that people can use, and I'll also have baskets of different kind of art and craft products that people can pick in order to create their product. So it's great for families, they can come in. It's great for you, just come on your own and meet people. You'll book like a 2-hour slot, and in that time you get to choose what you want, make what you want, and leave happy that you've been creative. And I personally believe that creativity is just so good for your mental health. You have to switch off from any of your ruminating or your worries, and to be able to concentrate on what you're doing. And that creative process really just, I think it just helps your nervous system and changes it in some way. You know, I don't know the full medical thing about it, but it really helps me anyway, and I'm sure it will help other people too. So that's happening hopefully April, May 2025. But what I'm going to vlog in between is what I will normally do with my art this time of year. I usually, because the shops are quiet after Christmas, I will start designing new designs ready for the next year. So you'll probably see a bit of that. You'll also see a bit of me setting up, getting ready all of the stock. All the shelving and stuff is currently in my garage. We were supposed to be opening October, November time, and it's now changed to April, May, hopefully. So this is the start of the vlog. I don't want to rattle on too much. I don't ever want the videos to be more than sort of 4 or 5 minutes, but this is just catching me at home, Christmas Eve, and I thought, right, I'm going to start vlogging the entire journey of opening my own little retail unit. So come along for the ride and let's see what happens. Exciting!